So this is the last and final call for all the aspirants of UPSC and JKS examination जो आने वाले 26 और 27 का एग्ज़ाम देने वाले हैं. कल हमारा ओरिएंटेशन सेशन स्टार्ट होने वाला है. द मेन पर्पस फॉर दिस ओरिएंटेशन सेशन इज़ टू टेल यू हाउ टू अप्रोच दिस एग्जामिनेशन. इसमें हम आपको ये बताएंगे कि आपका एग्ज़ाम जो होगा उसका क्या तरीका है, उसके लिए प्रिपरेशन कैसे करनी है, उसके लिए क्या मटेरियल आपको पढ़ना है, हाउ इज़ दिस 1 ईयर और 15 मंथ्स और 16 मंथ्स का जो प्रिपरेशन टाइम है उसमें आपने क्या क्या चीज़ें करनी है. सो फॉर अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिगिनिंग फॉर योर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ दिस एग्जामिनेशन, the right approach for this examination and the proper way to qualify this examination, this orientation becomes very important. ये बहुत ही ज़रूरी चीज़ है जो आपको बुनियादी तरीके बताएगी, बुनियादी चीज़ें बताएगी इस एग्ज़ाम से रिलेटेड. So don't miss this chance. Attend the orientation program which is going to be held tomorrow and make sure कि आप यहाँ से अपनी प्रिपरेशन को सही तरीके से शुरू करें. So once again, tomorrow we are holding this orientation program followed by the regular classes और उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा आपको और डिटेल में शाकार सर बताएंगे.
Hello dear aspirants. Since Fahad साहब ने already आप लोगों को बोला कि what this examination is all about, through orientation we're telling you the nitty-gritties of this examination, we're telling you about the different nuances which are involved in this examination, and I always suggest that Quintessence has risen to the top with the dedicated faculty members, the faculty members who have already qualified these examinations. And come on 28th for the orientation, and on 29th, an important announcement I'm going to make. On 29th, we are going to handle a scholarship test. That is QSAT, we have named it. In that, we will be giving you a test on your mobile phones, and then once you score, whatever will be the score on that, in that scholarship examination, you will be given a rebate in your fee. So come on 28th for the orientation, understand that how this examination is going to be, what are the parameters which are required for the preparation, what all will be covered in the preparation, and then witness a change. And come on 29th for the scholarship so that you can get the advantage of scholarship. Thank you so much.